Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Welcome to Pakistan International School Taif Virtual Learning System. Students, this is your second lecture, grade 10th, Boys and Girls, Geography of Pakistan. And I am Mrs. Asima. You know that this subject is for foreigner students, not for the Pakistani students. In the previous lesson, we started chapter 9, and the name of the chapter, resources. We discussed the resources and the kinds of resources, natural resources and human or man-made resources. Did you remember? Very good. Now, first of all, a little review of the previous lecture, then we will start the next topic. Resources, then we discuss the natural resources and the man-made resources, and the further division or the further kinds of natural resources, inexhaustible resources and exhaustible resources. Natural resources and the types of natural resources. Natural resources are the classification of natural resources, inexhaustible natural resources and exhaustible natural resources. The which are inexhaustible resources present in unlimited quantity, cannot be exhausted. For example, air, water. And number two, exhaustible natural resources which are present in limited quantity and will be exhausted. Example like petroleum, coal, all these are in limited in quantity. These are, I told you, exhaustible resources present in limited quantity and supposed to be finished by human activity and uses. For example, coal, petroleum, mineral. Then the examples are given here, inexhaustible resources like sun, water, wind, dirt. Then we discuss the water resources. Did you remember? Water resources, I told you, the basic needs of the living beings as of the non-living beings. Then we discuss the land resources, the different kinds of the land resources, and I told you these are all natural resources blessed by Allah. And we discussed the Pakistan also blessed a variety of natural resources. Today we will discuss mineral resources, mineral oil or petroleum, and natural gas. These three topics today we will discuss. Now, first of all, mineral resources. What are mineral resources? Also have a pencil in your hand, and the first short question of this topic, what are mineral resources? Mineral or raw material of industry. Raw material, the basic material from which a product is made. The original form, the real form of material for industry. Minerals are the raw material of industry. Examples of raw materials you can write or include steel, oil, corn, grain. These are all the examples of raw material which are in the real shape. Now, coal, oil and natural gas provide power for industry, and iron is the chief basic material used in the manufacture of machinery. First of all, which are the basic thing to provide power for industry? Coal, oil and natural gas. And the most important, the main basic material that is used in the manufacturing purpose of machinery, tools and equipment, that is iron. that is the most important part of the industry for the development of industry, that is iron. Now we will discuss, like, according to Pakistan, Pakistan is rich in mineral resources, but these remain unexploited over the year. Again, the same problem which we discussed in the lecture 1. Again, the Pakistan is facing different kinds of problem also. In mineral resources, what is the main problem? These remain unexploited over the year, not developed, not using form over the year. And the progress of the mineral sector has been hampered due to financial constraint, lack of latest technology, technically trained manpower, and inadequate market mechanism. These are the main problems which Pakistan is facing in the development or the progress, for the progress purpose in the mineral resources. What, of course, the financial problem, again the lack of the latest technology, experts, scientists, technically trained manpower, and not enough machinery. These are the problem which Pakistan is still facing in this sector. Now the first short question for this, like, what are mineral resources? So you will write this paragraph: minerals are the raw materials of industry, and you will complete this paragraph. Now, in order to encourage mineral exploration and exploitation in the country, a board has been set up to look after the development of the minerals. Also, the government of Pakistan trying its best to improve this sector, the mineral development, and the Mineral Development Corporation was formed for this purpose, and when it was formed in 1974. Underline this line. It can be in MCQs. The Mineral Development Corporation was formed in dash 1974. And for which purpose? Of course, to solve all these problems regarding which we discuss in the mineral resources. Then separate corporation has been constituted in every province to speed up the work. The Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Resources is responsible for mineral development in the country. It controls 5 main agencies. Also, it can be in short question, write this question: who is the responsible for mineral development in the country? And name the 5 agencies for the what are the main agencies for the mineral development. So you will write: the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Resources is responsible for mineral development in the country, and the 5 agencies: number 1, Geological Survey of Pakistan; number 2, Gemstone Corporation of Pakistan; number 3, Oil and Gas Development Corporation; number 4, Pakistan Mineral Development Corporation; number 5, Resources Development Corporation. Now clear? Then in Pakistan, there are 3 regions which are especially rich in mineral wealth. The first is the salt range, and salt, coal, and iron ore. These are found in salt range. Number 2, Chitral, and it is what is found here? Iron ore. Number 3, northeast Balochistan and the adjoining parts of Waziristan, and which mineral is found here? That is coal and chromite. Now here the short question can be like this: mention the 3 regions, or name the 3 regions which are especially rich in mineral resources or mineral wealth. So you will write the salt range, Chitral, Balochistan, and the adjoining part of Waziristan. Now we will discuss the important minerals. First, we discuss the mineral resources, the different, like coal, oil, natural gas. They are the main power for industry. Then iron, that is the most important, the main important material used in manufacturing of machinery, tools and equipment. Then we discuss different kinds of Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Resources is responsible for mineral development, and who is controlling the five main agencies. Then the most important three regions which are rich in mineral resources. And now we will discuss important minerals. Number one, coal. Coal in Pakistan is mined principally in the following three areas. Where it is found? Here in this book we will discuss where these minerals are found, the areas, the places where these minerals are found, we will discuss. So the coal is first of all the Salt Range, then number two Northeast Balochistan, and number three the Sindh Coal Field. The Salt Range, whose main coal mines are at Dandot and Pir in the eastern Salt Range and Makarwal in the western Trans Indus Salt Range. I know that you are not familiar the name of these areas, but you have to learn these areas, the name of these areas as it is, you have to learn and write. Northeast Balochistan, which consists of mainly three mining areas where coal is found. Number one, the Khoshrig Harnai region, which includes small fields of Nakus and Zardalu. Number two, the Saur range and Digari Sharin areas. Number three, the Mach Bolan coal field, which lies on either side of the railway line in Bolan Pass. And now the third one, the Sindh coal field, the Jhampir Matting coal field in Sindh, about 128 kilometer east of Karachi. Number two, Lakra coal field, Dadu district in Sindh, about 128 kilometer north of Karachi. These are the areas where the coal is found. Now we will discuss where the coal is found in Pakistan. The quality of coal that is not good, that is poor quality, and also the quantity is small. Coal is also found in other areas, but in most of them mining is uneconomical, either because quality is poor and quantity is small. Unfortunately, again, we are having a problem in coal mining, like we are getting the coal that is not good quality, and also the quantity is not enough. Because the place is not easily accessible, on the whole, the coal is of poor quality. And the coal seams are generally thin, and the coal has high ash and sulfur content and a high percentage of volatile matter. It is mainly used in brick and lime burning kilns. For which purpose? The oil is using only two purpose, because the quality that is not good, and mainly used in bricks and lime burning kilns. Mineral oil or petroleum. Before the starting mineral oil or petroleum, you can see in this page 80 a map, and what it shows, the mineral fuels, coal, oil and gas. You can see here, this is a map of Pakistan. This is the map of Pakistan, and you can see here which it shows the areas where these minerals are found: coal, natural gas and mineral oil. And also the names of these areas are written, in which province these are found, and these are the symbols you can find where the coal is found. Then natural gas, where is it discovered? This symbol shows where the natural gas is discovered. Then mineral oil, this symbol show. For example, coal, this is the symbol of coal. You can see here, you can check here, Banu, the coal is found. Then, for example, natural gas. This is the symbol of natural gas. You can see here Karachi, Hyderabad. Then you can see here the next one is the mineral oil. Now you can check the mineral oil here, a very few places. Badin here in Karachi side. You can check these with the help of these symbols where these minerals are found. Now we will discuss mineral oil or petroleum. It is vital source. You know that the mineral oil is the most important source of energy and the main part of energy and industry. It is a vital source of energy in Pakistan. There are 6 main oil fields in Pakistan, all located where? In Potwar Plateau. It can be asked in MCQs. Where are the 6 main oil fields are located? So it is located in Potwar Plateau. I told you here we will discuss only the names of the minerals and the places of the minerals where these are discovered or found. Now we will discuss the six main fields in Pakistan and where it is all in Potwar Plateau. Number one, the Khor oil field. It is located in Attock district, which has been working since 1915 and is now nearly exhausted. We discussed exhaustible and inexhaustible resources. Now it is exhausted. So it can be in MCQs, underline these dates. The Khor oil field, which has been working since dash 1915. Number two, the Dhalia oil field, again Attock district. When it is discovered? 1935. And lying about 16 kilometers to the northwest of Khor oil field is the biggest oil field of the country. Number three, the Joyamer oil field. In which district? Jhelum district, and when it was discovered? In 1946 by the Attock Oil Company. Number four, the Balksar oil field in Jhelum district. When it was discovered? Please underline all these dates. It's very important. In 1946. The Chakwal oil field discovered in 1949 is now being worked as a part of Balksar oil field. Number five, the Karsal oil field, Jhelum district, when it was discovered? 1956. And this oil field lies to the northwest of Balksar oil field and produce good quality oil. Next, the last one, the sixth, the Tut oil field, Attock district, and it was discovered in 1968. Also, it can be asked in short question. Name the 6 main oil fields in Pakistan. Or also it can be in long question, write in detail about the main oil fields of Pakistan. So you will write all these expression. If the short question only name, just you will mention the name. These oil fields produced 19,858 barrel in 1994-95 of crude oil. Crude oil, the raw shape, the original form of the oil, which is not able to use. After a proper procedure, it is refined. Where oil is refined? In refinery. Then it will be able to use. Balksar and Dhalia oil fields alone produces more than 90% of the total crude oil. And there are 3 oil refineries working in Pakistan. Very important short question. Name the oil refineries of Pakistan. I told you oil refineries where oil is refined and able to use, able to use. Then also you will name short question, name the oil refineries of Pakistan. There are 3 oil refineries Pakistan. Write this question. Number 1, the Attock Oil Company at Morga, Rawalpindi. Number 2, the Pakistan Refinery Limited. Number 3, the National Refinery Limited, which are situated at Karachi. Then oil has been discovered at Dakni Attock district. Adi and Kazian, Rawalpindi district, Dhodak oil field, Dera Ghazi Khan district in the Punjab, and Khashkheli and Gri oil field in district Bateen, and Tandu Al Alayar near Hyderabad in Sindh. Now finish this topic, mineral oil of Pakistan. Now the last topic which we will discuss today is the natural gas. First of all, underline this: when it was discovered in MCQs, in dash natural gas was discovered in 1952 at Sui. Sui is the name of place. Also we called in Pakistan Sui gas. Why we called it Sui gas? Because the first time it was discovered at Sui, Sibi district in Balochistan. And while workers were drilling for oil, the gas field is considered one of the largest in the world. Okay, how it was discovered in Pakistan? Workers, they were working for drilling oil, and what they discovered? They discovered natural gas in 1952. And there are the different uses of natural gas for the domestic purpose and industrial purpose. And also it is cheaper than if we compare to the fuel oil and petroleum. Most of the factories in Pakistan now use gas. It is estimated to have a recoverable resource of 6.3 million cubic feet and would last several hundred years. Pipelines from Sui to Quetta, Karachi, Lahore, Rawalpindi, and various of the country have been led to carry gas. In order to increase oil and gas resources, a number of foreign oil companies, they are working with Pakistan, and one of the most important department or the corporation, that is OGDCL, Oil and Gas Development Corporation, have been assigned the task of prospecting oil and gas in various areas of Pakistan. And some of the new gas fields are located the different places at Zin, Uch, Khairpur, Mazarni, Mari, Tonsa, etc. And the total gas production during 1996 to 97 was 6,87,124 million cubic feet. Okay, students, it's enough for today. We discussed mineral resources, then important minerals like coal and mineral oil, petroleum, and natural gas. What is today homework? You will start from the start of the chapter. You will make MCQs, 10 MCQs you will write in your notebook, and also you will write 5 short questions which I told you during lecture 1 and lecture 2. Thank you, students.